Hello students, in the previous session we have seen that what is speed and what are the types of speed. We have seen what is uniform speed, what is non-uniform speed and what is average speed. And the last type of the speed is what? Instantaneous speed. As the name suggests, a speed which is measured at a particular instant of time. Means what? The speed of an object at a particular instant of time during its motion is called what? Instantaneous speed. Okay. मतलब क्या है इसका, यानी कि किसी पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे अगर हम किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की स्पीड मेजर करते हैं, दैट इज नोन एज इंस्टेंटेनियस स्पीड. सपोज अ कार इज मूविंग और हमें उसकी स्पीड चाहिए 2 मिनट, 2 मिनट आफ्टर 2 मिनट. ओके, सो वी विल मेजर द स्पीड by the speedometer inside the car. And suppose any other object moving on a road and traffic police need to measure the speed कि इसने speed limit cross की है या नहीं की है. then traffic police uses speed gun. okay, वो speed gun object की तरफ करते हैं and speed gun tells us about the instantaneous speed of a vehicle. क्योंकि तभी क्या होगा, ट्रैफिक पुलिस विल बी एबल टू नो द स्पीड ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर व्हीकल, दैट इट इज क्रॉसिंग द सेफ लिमिट और नॉट. ओके, और किसी भी पर्टिकुलर बाइक में, किसी भी पर्टिकुलर बस में, कार में स्पीडोमीटर लगा होता है दैट टेल्स अस अबाउट द स्पीड ऑफ द कार और द ट्रक एट अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम. और एज वी इंक्रीज द स्पीड, द नीडल ऑफ द स्पीडोमीटर also increases. It goes on like this every time it increases, so that is known as what? Speedometer. तो इंस्टेंटेनियस स्पीड क्या होगी, किसी भी पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे मेजर की गई स्पीड को हम क्या बोलेंगे? इंस्टेंटेनियस स्पीड बोलेंगे. एंड वी नो द फॉर्मूला ऑफ स्पीड, दैट स्पीड इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. ओके, और वी कैन से दैट स्पीड इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम और v इक्वल टू s अपॉन t. s is what? Distance. t is what? Time. Now if we need to find out the SI unit of speed, we have already calculated in the previous session also that v will be equal to, what is the SI unit of distance? It is what? Meter. What is the SI unit of time? It is what? Second. Then we can see that v will be equal to what? Meter per second. Now the question is that somewhere the speed is given in kilometer per hour and somewhere it is given in meter per second, but the question will ask that convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second, or it can also ask that convert this meter per second into kilometer per hour. So how we will convert it? So how we can convert kilometer per hour into meter per second or meter per second into kilometer per hour? Simple formula is there that we can convert kilometer per hour into meter per second by multiplying the value of kilometer per hour by a value 5 upon 18. Suppose a number is given that convert the 36 kilometer per hour into meter per second. How we can convert it? Simply multiply 36 by 5 upon 18. Okay, 18 to the 36, 2 5 the 10. The unit will be in meter per second, 10 meter per second. Okay, similarly, if a question is given that convert 25 meter per second into kilometer per hour, simply we need to do what? We will multiply 25 by 18 upon 5. How we will convert? 5 5 ja 25, 18 5 ja 90. So it will be 90 kilometer per hour when we are converting meter per second into kilometer per hour. We are having a question here that while driving, Jayant travels 30 km with a uniform speed of 40 km per hour and next 30 km with a uniform speed of 20 km per hour. Find his average speed. That how we can calculate average speed. The question is that suppose here we are having A, B and C and Jayant is going from A to B with a speed of 40 km per hour and the distance between A to B is 30 km and he is traveling from B to C with a speed of 40 with a speed of 20 kilometer per hour and the distance between B and C is what? 30 kilometer. Now the question is find his average speed. The formula of average speed was total distance and total distance upon total time taken. But here we know the distance. Okay, we know the distance between the 2 points, that it is going first 30 kilometer with 40 kilometer per hour and next 30 kilometer it is going with 20 kilometer per hour speed, but we don't know the time, that how much time it is taking from A to B. Okay, and how much time it is taking from B to C. हमें टाइम नहीं पता, हमें दोनों केस में क्या चाहिए, टाइम चाहिए यहाँ पे। Now the question is how we can calculate the time. We know the formula that what is the formula of speed? Speed formula is v equal to distance upon time. From here we can calculate time. Time will be equal to what? Distance upon speed. Now in the first case the distance is given, that is what, 30 kilometer, and speed is also given, speed is what, 40 kilometer per hour. So simply we need to put the value, and we have put it here. We can see that 30 upon 40. Now the time is 0.75 hour. Here the time will be in hour because everything is given in kilometer and kilometer per hour. We will not get the value of time in second because it is kilometer per hour, not kilometer per second. Okay, that's why when we divide 30 by 40 we will get here 0.75 hour. Similarly in the next case, when that giant is covering what, 30 kilometer with the speed of 20 kilometer per hour, we can again put the formula that speed equal to distance upon time. Now we can calculate the time from here, that it will be equal to distance upon speed. Now we know the distance, that it is what, 30 kilometer, and we also know that what is the value of speed, it is what, 20. When we will divide it we will get what, 1.5. Again the time will be in hour because it is not given in second here. So we can see that we have calculated in the first case what is time, it is 0.75 hour. In the second case we have already calculated that it is what, 1.5 hour. So Jayant was traveling from A to B, then C. In the first 30 kilometer it is covering with 0.75 hour. Okay, in the second B to C it is he is going with 20 he is covering 20 kilometer. No, in the second case he is covering 30 kilometer, but the speed is 1.5 hour. So we know the distance between 2 points, that is 30 30, and we know the time taken. So every time between 2 points he is covering the same speed, same distance with different time. So we will calculate here what,